Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another linguistic adventure. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of words, and our star of the day is attendance, a C1 level noun meaning being present at an event. So, what exactly does attendance mean? It essentially refers to the act of being physically present at a specific place, like a meeting, a class, or a concert. It's about being there, participating, or simply being noted as present. You might hear someone say, "The attendance at the conference was higher than expected." This means more people showed up than they thought would. Now, let's explore some synonyms that share a similar meaning. We have presence, as in, your presence at the ceremony was greatly appreciated. We can also use participation, such as active participation in the workshop is encouraged. And how about appearance? As in, his appearance at the gala caused quite a stir. These words all relate to being somewhere or being involved in something. On the flip side, what about words that have the opposite meaning? Let's look at some antonyms. The opposite of attendance could be absence, like her absence from the meeting was noted in the minutes. Another word is non-appearance. For example, his non-appearance at the court hearing has been documented. You could also use leave, as in, he took leave from work to travel. See how these words clearly show the opposite concept of being present. So how do we use attendance in everyday life? You might ask a teacher about your attendance record in class. You could be checking the attendance sheet for a meeting at work. Someone might mention that the attendance at a wedding was phenomenal. It's a common word that pops up in various contexts. Now, let's make sure we really understand how to use this word. Consider these phrases. High attendance is expected at the game. She has perfect attendance this semester. The lecture had poor attendance. Or, please confirm your attendance by 3 p.m. today. Hopefully, you are seeing more clearly how this word is used. That's all for today's episode of Hello Word. We've journeyed through the definition, synonyms, antonyms, and usage of attendance. It is a word we see and hear all the time. Remember that understanding these nuances helps to improve your English. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show and learn with us. Also, we want to know, can you write a sentence using attendance and share it as a comment under this video? Until next time, happy word learning!